Friends, this is a parlight power supply. Output voltage V1 36 volt, V1 and V2 is 12 volt. What is the common problem in this supply for switching? Very first, this IC required a switching voltage, and this voltage come from this capacitor positive to this IC. Look at here, two resistance used, high value resistance used, 470K, yellow, violet, yellow. This is the color code of this resistance. Switching voltage come through this resistance. Look at back side. This is the plus point of capacitor and diode. These two resistance in series join, and this supply is very important for switching this IC. If this resistance open, switching